Ever dealt with bulky power cords sticking out awkwardly behind your computer or monitor? The right-angle power cord solves this problem instantly. Its clever design fits snugly against walls or tight spaces, keeping your setup neat without sacrificing power or reliability. This versatile replacement AC power cord works with a wide range of devices, from desktop computers and HDTVs to LED monitors, ceiling projectors, powered speakers, and laser printers. If you need a dependable power connection across multiple gadgets, this cable fits the bill. What makes this cable stand out is its female-to-male 90-degree angled design. The female end plugs securely into your device's recessed C14 port, while the angled shape directs the cable to run parallel with your equipment. No more awkward bends or cables jutting out where they don't belong. If you've ever tried to push your computer or speakers flush against a wall, you know how frustrating a straight power cord can be. This right-angle cable frees up those tight spots, giving your desk or entertainment center a sleek, professional look without sacrificing accessibility. One big plus is the two-pack convenience. Instead of scrambling for matching cords or extensions, you get two identical cables that keep your devices powered and your space tidy. It's a simple way to avoid cable chaos and improve your workspace's appearance. Safety and durability are key here. This cable uses 16 Aruban fluorines wire rated for 13 amps and up to 300 volts, heavier and more robust than the usual 18 Aruban fluorines cords included with many electronics. That means it handles higher power loads safely and lasts longer. The build quality is impressive, too. It features a grounded NEMA 5 to 15P plug and a 3-slot IEC 320C13 female connector. Both ends have molded strain reliefs with easy grip designs, reducing wear and making plugging or unplugging effortless. With an SJT rating, this cable is tough enough for daily use but flexible enough to route neatly without kinking. Users across the U.S. praise its reliability and how it helps position devices flush against walls without power issues, a simple upgrade with real impact. If you're tired of wrestling with awkward cords or messy extensions, this right-angle power cable is worth a look. It's a practical, affordable upgrade that streamlines your setup and boosts safety with a heavy-duty design. Imagine cables running cleanly, freeing up space and easing stress on your plugs. Ready to simplify your workspace? Whether organizing a home office, entertainment center, or professional setup, these cables deliver consistent power, neat installation, and long-lasting performance. Try it when you're ready to see how a well-designed power cord can transform your electronics. Don't settle for standard cords that get in the way or wear out fast. Upgrade to a cable rated for higher amperage, built for durability, and designed for tight spaces. This isn't just a replacement, it's a small investment that improves how your devices fit and function. If you value neatness, safety, and dependable performance, this right-angle AC power cord deserves a place in your toolkit. It's a subtle change that makes a big difference every day. Take control of your workspace and reduce cable clutter with this practical, heavy-duty power cord. Power your devices the smart way. Grab this 2-pack of right-angle power cords and enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more efficient setup. Your equipment and your space will thank you.